Hello everyone, it's CA Yashwanshal this side. I have qualified my CA finals in November 20 attempt. So before our campus recruitment, I was shortlisted and selected in EY India. So in this video, I will be sharing how I applied for interview in EY India and what were their different rounds, what were the different questions they asked and how to prepare for these. How I will also share an Excel sheet in which I have plotted the format in which you have to just plot your all articleship client data for preparation of the interview. And I will be also sharing the different timelines or time that has been consumed in each step of interview. So for applying in any of the big fours, preferably you can either get your resume forwarded by any internal employee, or you can just upload your resume in any outsider recruiters. For example, I have uploaded my resume in Fast Careers website. So I got the EY India interview call from the Fast Careers itself. Thirdly, you can just, if there is in case any walk-in interview, you can just go directly to for attending the interview, or you can just upload your resume in the Big Four website itself in careers section. So now coming to the different rounds that happened for the selection in Big Fours. There are actually 4 rounds. First of all is the HR round. Second one is the GD round. It may happen or not happen depending on the different policies of the different Big Fours. And third one was the technical round, which is taken by the manager of that organization. And the fourth and last one was the partner round. So in all these 4 rounds, the common question, except GD, the common question is tell me about yourself or describe yourself. So I think this is the point where you can just generate your the interest of interviewing yourself. And same thing I had said in my previous video also. So I had 2 positive points. First of all, I secured second rank in Faridabad district in CA final as well as CA ABC. And secondly, I also was awarded as best article of the year. Yes, was rated 5 to 5 ratings in my articleship. So I told about these 2 things along with describing myself. Now let's discuss each round of interview briefly. So now coming first to the HR round. Of course, the first question was describe yourself. After that, she asked me to describe about my articleship experience and different clients and different types of assignments I have handled. After that, she also asked about the joining date which I would be comfortable with. So that was all for the HR round. Now coming to the GD round, as we all know, due to COVID, all rounds of interview were virtual. So my topic of GD was the impact of COVID-19 on the global economy. तो जो मेरी पहले वाली वीडियो है जिसमें मैंने कैंपस प्लेसमेंट का अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया है, तो उसमें जो जीडी का कंटेंट है प्लस में जो टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स रिलेटेड टू द टेक्निकल सेटअप, फॉर एग्जांपल लैपटॉप सेटअप और जो भी आपको हेडफोन सेटअप की रिगार्डिंग टिप्स हैं, वो सब आप वहाँ से रेफर कर लेना और उस वीडियो का लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. So now coming to the manager round or also called the technical round. So first question he asked was to describe myself. Now the other questions were divided into 2 parts. First part was related to my articleship experience and the other were related to the technical stuff like Ind AS, GST amendments, TDS provisions and such other things. So now coming to the articleship related question, you have to prepare an Excel sheet in which you have to plot name of the client, nature of assignment handled, for example statutory audit or tax audit or IFC. Third one, the industry in which the client belongs, its turnover, its net worth, its profit, what were the risk areas, what were the challenges you had faced while performing the assignment, and what were the observations. So once you have prepared these 8-9 columns for each client, now you are ready to answer any question related to the client. So these are the basic questions that they ask about your client. Of the Excel sheet format I have shared in my description column. Now coming to the other questions related to the technical knowledge, they ask about the Ind AS 115 and 116, whenever they were introduced, what was the glitch in the previous Ind ASs. They also asked about the GST amendments, new TDS section that has been inserted in the recent budget. They also ask about the standards on auditing, mainly about the 700 series, that is 701 CAM, 705, 706 and 720. They also ask about the CARO 2020, what were the new insertions as compared to the CARO 2016. And they also ask about the COVID guidelines or bulletins that ICAI has released. अब क्योंकि इस बार कोविड था, तो कोविड की वजह से हमें ऑडिटिंग में बहुत सारे नए एस्पेक्ट्स हमें चेक करने पड़ रहे थे। तो वो ऐसे ने हमें गाइडेंस नोट या फिर बुलेटिन के थ्रू बताया था। फॉर एग्जांपल कि वी हैव टू रीएवेल्युएट द गोइंग कंसर्न ऑफ द क्लाइंट, कि क्या पता कोविड की वजह से उनके बिजनेस को इम्पैक्ट पड़ा हो, जैसे गोइंग कंसर्न की एजम्पशन है वो फेल हो जाए, वो हमें रीअसेस करना है। सेकेंडली कि आपके प्रोविजन द्वारा चेक करना है डेटर्स के ऊपर कि क्या थोड़ा एडिशनल प्रोविजन बनेगा। हमें चेक करना था कि जो डिस्काउंटिंग रेट्स हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं क्या वो रिवाइज होंगे, कि अगर आपने कोई लॉस ऑफ इंश्योरेंस करा रखा था आपने लॉस ऑफ प्रॉफिट का, तो क्या अगर आप इंश्योरेंस कंपनी ने वो अप्रूव कर दिया है क्लेम, तो आप अपना फिर वो इनकम बुक कर लेंगे। एंड इंडिया 116 में भी आपके कोविड की वजह से कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स आई थी, कुछ रिलैक्सेशंस आई थी, उसके बारे में भी उन्होंने पूछा था। फिर उन्होंने ये भी पूछा था कि आपकी ऑडिट फर्म थी वहाँ पे आप कैसे ऑडिट करते थे, मैनुअली करते थे और एक्सेल शीट के थ्रू करते थे, या फिर आपको कोई प्री डिफाइंड कोई सॉफ्टवेयर था। सो दे ऑल्सो आस्क अबाउट दैट। So that was all for the manager round. Now coming to the partner round, they first of question was yes, obviously describe myself. Now second they asked about the similar questions. What were India's 115, 116, their COVID guidance or the bulletins released by the ICI. And he also asked me about why you are joining the statutory department after becoming CA. ही वॉज सेइंग कि जब लोग सीए कर लेते हैं उसके बाद तो डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स में जाते हैं, कि एम&ए में चले गए या फिर इंडस्ट्री में चले गए, आप यहाँ स्टेट आउट में क्यों आना चाहते हैं। ही ऑल्सो आस्क्ड मी अबाउट कोई ट्रैवलिंग में इशू तो नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम ट्रैवलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा कराते हैं। तो दैट वाज ऑल द क्वेश्चंस दैट द पार्टनर हैज एंड इट वाज very smooth round. Partner round was very smooth. So these were the all rounds which happened in my Big Four interview process. Now let's discuss about the total time that has been taken in the whole interview process. तो जब भी मैंने फास्ट करियर्स की वेबसाइट पे अपना रिज्यूमे अपलोड करके अप्लाई किया था, तो आफ्टर 5 डेज मेरे पास उनका कॉल आया रिक्रूटर का, और शी वाज आस्किंग कि वेदर आई वाज इंटरेस्टेड टू अप्लाई इन द यूए इंडिया। सो आई सेड यस टू इट। नाउ जब भी मैंने उनको फ़ोन पे कंसेंट दी थी, उसके 2 डेज बाद ही मेरे पास EY HR राउंड के लिए फ़ोन आ गया था। तो HR राउंड जैसे मेरा ओवर हुआ, उसके नेक्स्ट वीक में मेरे पास मैनेजर राउंड हुआ, टेक्निकल राउंड हुआ और GD भी हुआ। अब नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि GD आपका राउंड और मैनेजर राउंड और पार्टनर राउंड आपका 1 दिन में या 2 दिन में मैक्स हो जाता है। तो मेरा भी ऐसे हुआ था कि विद इन 2 डेज ये तीनों राउंड हो गए थे। और उसके जैसे पार्टनर राउंड हो गया, उसके 15-20 मिनट्स बाद ही मेरे पास अपने फास्ट करियर से कॉल आ गया था कि आपका सिलेक्शन हो गया है। तो जिस वीक में मेरा पार्टनर राउंड हुआ था, उसके नेक्स्ट वीक के एंड में फिर मेरे पास ऑफर लेटर आ गया था। तो अगर हम टोटल देखें तो अप्रोक्स 20 डेज इस पूरे प्रोसेस में लग गया था मेरा। This was my whole interview experience in EY India. For any further queries or doubt, do comment in the comment box and subscribe this channel, share this video to your friends, and do connect with me in LinkedIn and Instagram, whose links I have shared in my description box.